So, what is the interaction between the nominal interest rate, the real interest rate, and the expected inflation over a time period? So, let's just talk about, for example, for 1 year. Well, an economist named Irving Fisher came up with this theory that the nominal interest rate, so I'm going to write I nominal, that the nominal interest rate is equal to the real interest rate, so I'll write I real, plus the expected rate of inflation. And so I'm going to write E expected rate of inflation. And this idea seems to hold relatively true over the long run. Over the short run, it doesn't seem to do such a good job. But we're just going to do a couple of practice problems and kind of work our way through this. So let's say that the expected inflation, and I'm just going to do this up here, the expected inflation is 4% and over the next year, and the real interest rate is 3%. What would be the nominal interest rate? And the answer is it would be 7%. Just 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So two more. If we have a nominal interest rate of 15% and the expected inflation is 7%, what's the real interest rate? And the answer is that it is 8%. And finally, if we have a real interest rate, or we have a nominal interest rate of 10%, and we have expected inflation of 4%, or let's do this. We have a real interest rate of 4%, then we have expected inflation of 10 minus 4, which is 6%. So that's all that I'm going to do with this. If it doesn't make sense, let me know, but